What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And this video is all about how I refresh my wigs. This is a wig that I purchased from Beauty Forever Hair on AliExpress. Honestly, like their wigs really don't get like that bad, but this wig has been sitting in a drawer in a bun for a long time. I'm just showing you guys like what all it looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys in this video what I do to kind of bring my wigs back to life. This wig really didn't need much but like a shampoo and condition, but I'm showing you guys what I do to my wigs that might need like a little bit more work. This is just me showing you guys all of that. So this is what the wig looks like. Like the lace is tinted, like it just ain't it right now. So, like I said, their hair is pretty good, so all I would have to do is wash it, but I'm just going to go all the way so you guys can see what I'm talking about when I say refresh. So, what we need is the silicone mix. This right here, like holy grail for sure. Like for sure. I kind of make wig soup. I take a dime size amount. Let me chill. Yeah, take a dime size amount and I just put it into some hot water and I literally mix it together a little bit, And you guys can see that my pot is already a little dirty. Don't judge me. I literally made wig soup and something like right before this one and just dumped the water out. Like, it's fine. I also put like a little bit of this Moroccan sleek oil from, what is that, Garnier Fructis? Yeah. So, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're still watching this video and you want to make wig soup and you want to bring your wig back to life, sis, because I'm here to give you guys all things hair and beauty, okay? So now I'm going to take this Tresemme Luxurious Moisture Conditioner and I'm just going to like put that all over the hair before I put it in the water. And honestly, I just did like a lot of trial and error when it comes to hair and when it comes to, me doing certain things. So I honestly have not seen anyone ever do this, but this is just what I do. And it has not failed me yet. So yeah, just saturating the wig, making sure like majority of it is covered with the conditioner. Make sure that the water is hot. It is. So now we are going to put the wig in the hot water with that mixture that we made and make sure that it's all the way submerged in there. And what I do with it, like I'll like pick it up a couple times just to be sure that it's like all the way in there. I might not have shown that, but that's what I do. And I make sure that the wig cap is facing up because I don't know, like I feel like that's just like a bad look if it's like facing down. You feel me? I keep that in there. I'm pretty sure it's like on low. I don't put it on like, I'm not trying to make it boil or nothing. Like boil for real. But I put it in there for like 10 minutes and it looks like this. It is boiling a little bit, but I'm saying like, yes, it's like warm. But I don't want it to be like, actually like cooking the hair. You feel me? So I'm taking some of that shampoo and I'm just literally rinsing or washing all of that stuff out because you don't want to have all of that stuff in your hair because it will weigh it down and it won't be all cute or whatever. And y'all know we like flowy, we like it cute. So yeah, all we're doing here is just, oh Lord, is just washing the wig, washing the cap, washing all of that. I might not have shown like everything because y'all know how to wash a wig. Like I'm not about to, not about to do all that. And now I'm going in and I'm putting conditioner on it and I'm literally going to let that sit in the conditioner for maybe like 10 more minutes. Like I said, there's not like a really like a method to this. I just know the hair likes conditioner, so I just put the conditioner on there. This is me rinsing it off. I'm doing this with cool water. I just know that when you use cool water, it's supposed to lock in moisture. I don't want it to be dry, so I'm trying to lock in the moisture. So I am using cool water to now rinse off the wig that I just washed and let it sit in conditioner. Yup. Running my fingers through it, just trying to make sure that there's no, awful kinks or nothing like that. And like I said, make sure you get that wig cap. That's where like the dirt and the oils and stuff from like your hair, you don't want to keep putting that on your scalp. That's, you know, common sense, common sense. I feel like y'all know common sense. You feel me? Like, y'all know. Y'all know. That's just me squeezing all of the water out. I'm just trying to get as much of that out as I can. And now we are going to grab our trusty towel. We're going to put it inside of the cap. I got this part from Sophiology because I think I saw her do this, or I saw someone do this, and it just made sense to me because you want, you know, you don't want to be too rough with the lace, and when you do it this way, like, you know where the lace is. And literally all you're going to do is just, you're going to like press it. Just wrap it up and then just like press it. So now we're going to take some more Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, and we're going to put that all over the hair like while it's damp, so that it will just like, once it's dry, it'll be all sleek and shiny, hence the name. Okay, so we're going to put that all throughout the hair, and then it's time to style it. In this clip, like, I mean, I didn't, you know, blow dry it. Like, I wasn't going to show me, like, you know, blow drying the whole wig or whatever, but I just wanted you guys to know this is what I did afterwards. Well, after I put the serum in there, I just blow dried it. This is what the wig looks like after it has been blow dried. Looks dry. It doesn't like, it looks so much better than what it did look. It's still fluffy, it's still flowy, you know. You're going to want to put some more of that serum in there, or, you know, something if you want to. I didn't, but if this is not how you guys like your hair to look, then you definitely don't have to. But as soon as I curled it, then it literally felt exactly how I wanted to. So I'm going to show you guys what the hair looked like after I curled it and how it fell with no extra product. This is exactly how it ended up looking. Oh my God, I am so cute. And honestly, if you don't boost yourself up like how I boost myself up, then sis, let's have a conversation down below, because all of y'all are gorgeous. All of y'all look freaking amazing. And we just need to uplift each other, like, period. Like, I love this hair. Beauty Forever hair, like I said, like, I could have gotten away with just like washing this and it would have been fine. But since I did not, I just wanted you guys to see like the whole process if your hair does do like a little bit extra. And yeah, y'all already know the deal. Y'all already know what it is. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. And be sure to be on the lookout for my next videos. Period.